Welcome to How to Earn Money from Facebook and Instagram tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using Performance Bonus Program. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you are a creator on Facebook, you can use this program to get much more money. So if people are engaging with your posts, so if they are liking and commenting and sharing your posts a lot, and you get a lot of interactions with your videos, so for any engagements with your posts, you will get more money from a little money to $30,000 maximum a month. So you can make a lot of money using this way if you build the right audience that interacts with your posts. For an example, here's this person who posted the amount of money that he got from the performance program from 30 April to 31 May. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.